In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use polls in Google Meet. If you want to make your meetings more interactive and get quick feedback from participants, the polls feature in Google Meet can be very helpful. It allows you to ask simple questions during a meeting and collect responses in real time, which is great for team discussions, classroom sessions, workshops, or any meeting where you want everyone to participate more easily. To get started, first look for the 9 dots icon, or in some versions, the Meeting Tools option inside Google Meet. This is where you can access extra features that are available during your call. Depending on your screen size or the version of Google Meet you are using, the location may look slightly different, but the feature is generally found in that Tools area. Once you open that section, scroll down through the available options until you see Poll. Take your time here, especially if you are new to the interface, because Google Meet can show several different meeting tools in one place. You are simply looking for the Poll option. When you find it, click on Poll to open the polling feature. This is the area where you can manage and use polls during your meeting. From there, you'll be able to work with the poll tool directly inside Google Meet, making it easier to gather opinions or responses without asking everyone to speak one by one. One important thing to keep in mind is that this feature is not available on every Google Meet plan. You can only use polls if you upgrade to a premium plan. So if you do not see the poll option in your meeting tools, the most likely reason is that your current account does not include access to this feature. In that case, you would need to move to an eligible premium version in order to use it. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to check your Google Meet plan before your meeting starts, especially if you are planning to rely on polls as part of your presentation or session. That way, you can avoid confusion during the call and make sure everything is ready to go. That's all you need to know to locate and access polls in Google Meet. Once you know where to find the tool, it becomes much easier to add a more interactive element to your meetings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.